Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, you will listen to a slow and simple conversation between two friends as they go shopping at a supermarket. Don't worry. Everything is spoken slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy listening. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully and try to find the answer while watching the video. This will help you understand English more deeply. So, here is today's question. What food does Sam want to make for dinner? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find it, please write your answer in English in the comments section. All right, are you ready? Let's start the video.
Ellie, we are here. This is the supermarket.
Oh, this store is really big.
Yes, it is. I like this supermarket. They have everything.
It looks nice inside, very bright and clean.
Yes, this is one of my favorite stores. I come here every week.
I can see why. So, what do we need to buy today?
We need to buy food for dinner tonight.
That sounds good. What are we going to cook?
I want to make pasta, so we need vegetables and some other things.
I love pasta. This is exciting. I am happy to help you shop.
Thank you. It is always more fun to shop with a friend.
I think so too. So where do we start?
First, let's get a shopping cart. They are here at the entrance.
Oh, I see them. There are many carts here.
Yes, the carts are always near the entrance here. It is very convenient.
That is helpful. Okay, I have a cart now. Let's start shopping.
Great. Let's go to the vegetable section first.
Okay, lead the way. Wow, look at all these vegetables and fruits.
Yes, this section is always colorful. I like it here.
Everything looks so nice.
Yes, this supermarket has good vegetables.
These apples look so red and shiny.
They do look good. Let's get some.
Sure. How much are they?
The price depends on the weight. We put the apples in a bag and then we weigh them.
Oh, I understand. So heavier apples cost more money.
That's right. Many fruits and vegetables are sold by weight here.
That is interesting. In my country, we usually buy them by the piece.
Every country is different. It is fun to learn new things.
Yes, it is. Now, we also need tomatoes for the pasta, right?
Yes, that's right. The tomatoes are over here.
These tomatoes look good. Are they expensive?
Let me check. No, they're quite cheap today. Lucky us.
That's nice. What else do we need?
We need onions and garlic too. They add a lot of flavor.
I love garlic. It makes everything taste better.
Me too. I found the onions. They are right here.
Perfect. And the garlic is next to them. That is convenient.
Wonderful. The vegetables here look really fresh.
I am glad we came to this store. It has everything we need. Look at this bread section. There is so much bread here.
Yes, this supermarket has many kinds of bread.
I am surprised. There are so many different types. I have never seen this many before.
Around here, people eat many different breads, not just white bread.
I see. That is very different from my country. What kind of bread do you usually eat?
I often eat bread for breakfast. I like brown bread the most.
Brown bread? Is it different from white bread?
Yes, brown bread is made with whole wheat. It is healthier than white bread.
That sounds good. I want to try brown bread too.
You should try it. It has a nice taste. A little bit different, but good.
I will. What about this bread? It looks round.
That is called a bread roll. People eat it with soup or salad.
Oh, that sounds tasty. Do you eat bread every day?
Almost every day. Bread is a big part of breakfast here.
I usually eat rice for breakfast, but I like bread too.
Both are good. Rice and bread are both tasty in their own way.
That's true. Let's get this brown bread for tomorrow morning.
Good idea. Now let's go to the dairy section. We need milk and cheese.
Okay. Oh, it is cold here. I can feel the cold air.
Yes, this section is always cold. The milk and cheese need to stay cold to stay fresh.
That makes sense. Look at all this milk. There are so many kinds.
Yes, there's whole milk, low-fat milk, and skim milk.
What is the difference between them?
Whole milk has more fat, low-fat milk has less fat, and skim milk has almost no fat.
I see. That is good to know. Which one do you usually buy?
I usually buy low-fat milk. It is good for my health, but it still tastes good.
That makes sense. I will try low-fat milk too. I want to be healthy.
Good choice. Health is important. Do we need cheese for the pasta?
Oh yes, we definitely need cheese. Pasta is not the same without cheese.
You are right. Cheese makes everything better. Let's get some Parmesan cheese.
Perfect. What about yogurt? Do you eat yogurt?
Sometimes, yogurt is good for breakfast or a snack.
I like yogurt with fruit. It is so good and healthy.
Me too. Let's get some yogurt for later.
Sam, this is the frozen food section, right?
Yes, it is. There are many frozen foods here.
I can see frozen pizza, frozen vegetables, and frozen meals. There's a lot.
Frozen food is very useful. It is easy to cook and it is quick.
Yes, I think so too. On busy days, frozen food is very helpful.
Exactly. When I don't have time to cook, I use frozen food a lot.
I understand that. Life can be very busy sometimes.
Yes, especially after a long day at work.
What kind of frozen food do you like?
I like frozen vegetables. They are easy to add to any dish.
That is a good idea. Frozen vegetables are already cut, so it saves time.
Yes, and they stay good for a long time in the freezer. Very convenient.
I sometimes buy frozen pizza. It is quick and easy for dinner.
Frozen pizza is nice. You just put it in the oven and wait.
Yes, no cooking, no stress. Just easy food.
That's true. Sometimes we all need easy food.
Should we get some frozen food today?
Maybe some frozen vegetables. They can be useful for other meals this week.
Good thinking. Let's get a bag of frozen peas.
Sounds good.
This section has so many choices. Sam, look at this sign. It says sale in big letters.
Oh, you found a sale. What is on sale?
These pasta sauces are on sale. The price is much lower than usual.
That is a good deal. We need pasta sauce anyway. Perfect timing.
Yes, let's get 2 jars. One for today and one for later.
Good idea. When things are on sale, I like to buy extra.
Me too. It saves money in the long run.
Look, the olive oil is also cheap today.
Really? Olive oil is usually expensive.
Yes, so this is a really good deal. Let's get one bottle.
Okay. I love finding sales. It makes shopping more fun.
I think so too, and it is nice to save some money.
Do you always check for sales when you shop?
Usually, yes. Some supermarkets have sales every week.
That is good to know. I will look for sales more often from now on.
You should. It is a good habit. Ellie, I need to find something, but I can't find it.
Oh no, what are you looking for?
I need to find pasta. We have the sauce, but we forgot the pasta.
Oh no, that is very important. We cannot make pasta without pasta.
I know. I feel silly. I looked in this aisle, but I can't find it anywhere.
Maybe it is in a different section of the store.
Maybe. This supermarket is so big, it is hard to find some things.
Yes, there are so many aisles here. It can be confusing.
What should we do?
Why don't we ask a store worker? They can help us find it.
That is a good idea. Oh, I see a worker over there.
Let's go ask them.
Excuse me, can you help us? We are looking for pasta.
We looked around, but we couldn't find it.
Oh, the worker says the pasta is in aisle 5. That is on the other side of the store.
Thank you so much. You are very helpful.
That was easy. It is always good to ask for help.
Yes, the workers here are friendly and kind.
Okay, let's go to aisle 5 and get our pasta.
I think we have everything now. Let's go pay.
Yes, I think so too. The registers are over there.
Oh no, look at that line. It is so long.
Wow, you are right. Many people are waiting.
Do we have to wait in this long line?
Well, we have another choice. We can use the self-checkout.
Self-checkout? What is that?
It is a machine where you scan your own items and pay by yourself.
Oh, I see. Is it easy to use?
Yes, it is very easy. I will show you how. And usually it is faster because the line is shorter.
That sounds nice. Let's try the self-checkout then.
Good choice. The self-checkout machines are over there.
I see them. The line is much shorter there. Only a few people.
Yes, we will save a lot of time.
That is nice. I don't like waiting for a long time.
Me neither. Let's go. Okay, we are at the self-checkout now. Let me scan our items.
This machine looks easy to use.
It is. You just scan each item like this. See?
Yes, I see. The price shows on the screen.
Right. And when you finish scanning everything, you press this button to pay.
That is simple. I think I can do this by myself next time.
Yes, you can. It is not difficult at all.
How are you going to pay?
I will pay with my card. I always use my card.
Me too. I rarely use cash these days.
Yes, paying with a card is so easy and quick.
Right. you don't need to carry a lot of money.
Exactly. Okay, I finished scanning. The total is on the screen.
Now you just tap your card?
Yes, I just tap my card here and done. Payment complete.
That was fast. Self-checkout is really convenient.
It is. Now let's put our groceries in bags.
Okay, I will help you.
Thanks, Ellie. We make a good team.
We are finally outside. That was a good shopping trip.
Yes, it was. We got everything we need for dinner.
This supermarket is nice. Even though it is big, the signs and workers make it easy to shop here.
I'm glad you liked it. I always shop here because it is convenient.
I can see why. The store is clean and the workers are helpful.
Yes, and the prices are good too. We found some good sales today.
Yes, the pasta sauce was a really good deal. I am happy we bought 2 jars.
Now we have food for a few days. It is good to buy everything at once.
That is true. It saves time to buy many things together.
Exactly. I don't like going to the store every day. It takes too much time.
Me neither. Once a week is enough for me.
Same here. So, are you ready to cook dinner?
Yes, I am looking forward to making pasta. It will be tasty with all these ingredients.
I think so too. We have good tomatoes, garlic, and pasta sauce. It will be wonderful.
And don't forget the cheese. Pasta is not complete without cheese.
Of course. Let's go home and start cooking.
Sounds good. I am getting hungry now.
Me too. Let's walk quickly.
Okay. Thank you for taking me shopping today, Sam. It was really fun. I learned a lot of new things.
You are welcome, Ellie. Thank you for coming with me. Shopping is more fun with a friend.
I think so too. Let's do this again sometime soon.
Definitely. Now, let's go home and make some tasty pasta.
Yes, I can't wait. Let's go.
How was it? I hope this video helped you practice English in a relaxed and enjoyable way. Now, let me ask today's question one more time. What food does Sam want to make for dinner? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. Even one short sentence is okay. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share slow and easy English conversations for beginners to help you build confidence step by step. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. I also have a membership. If you'd like to support this channel and help me keep making videos like this, I would really appreciate it. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.